If you're looking to buy or sell a home, you know you have to call those Callaways because they are going to do the best job possible. And we know how much I love them. And of course, we've got Kelly Callaway. And I love the fact that you always have amazing homes to tell us about.
And I have another one today.
Oh, I can't wait.
It is such a great house. This one's on Ocupado Drive, and it's off of Scottsdale Road in Ashler Hills. And this home has it all. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage.
Oh,
it's
nice.
3,714 square feet. But inside, it's got wonderful floors. It's got a theater room that they've turned into a theater and game room.
Oh, how fun.
It's got 8 reclining chairs with cup holders, you know.
You don't ever want to leave.
No, I could live in that room. Except for the master bathroom, which I could spend days in. It's been totally redone. It has everything you absolutely want. But then you go outside, and it's got a beautiful brand new pool with a slide and a grotto with the waterfall.
Oh, nice.
So pretty at night.
It sounds
beautiful. Know, it
beautiful.
does, and it has mountain views. It really has everything to offer on this house.
This one's not going to stay on the market long. This one's going to go fast. What's the price?
It is $825,000.
That is a really good deal for that home and that location.
It is, and a beautiful home.
All right, well, people need to jump on that one really quick, and if they don't get this one, we know you have a lot more for them.
I might have one or two.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Tiffany.